Before moving to learn about microcontrollers, let us study what is the difference between a microcontroller and a microprocessor. From this diagram, we can see that this is a general purpose microprocessor. Why general purpose, I'll say. This is a microprocessor or CPU, and externally we have attached RAM and ROM chips, IO ports like 8255 timers, serial COM ports. We have attached externally using the data bus and the address bus to the processor, let it be 8086 or 8085. But when we are considering microcontrollers, we have them inbuilt. We have inbuilt RAM, ROM, IO ports, timers, serial COM port, as well as the processor. So the main difference between between microprocessors and microcontroller is that the microprocessors contain no RAM, no ROM, no IO ports on the chip itself. So this chip can be used anywhere, wherever RAM, ROM are required or where they are not required. They can be used anywhere. This small chip can be used anywhere. But where RAM and ROM is not required, why to use microcontroller? Because these features will be redundant because they are not required. So this is general purpose microprocessor which can be used anywhere. And on the other hand, microcontroller has a CPU in addition to a fixed amount of RAM, ROM, IO ports and a timer on a single chip. So this is compact, but this has an extended RAM ROM. So this system is more than a chip, bigger than a chip, but this is inside a chip, a small chip, IC chip. So in other words, the processor, RAM, ROM, IO port and timer are all embedded together on one chip. Therefore, the designer cannot add any extra memory to it. The fixed amount of on-chip RAM, ROM and number of IO pit makes them ideal for any application in which cost and space are a criteria. So, if we consider about cost, we have to buy this along with all these ports, all these components, so it will be costlier. But if we buy a single chip like microcontroller chip like 8051, then it will be easy for us, means less expensive for us. Even about the space, this is bigger and this is smaller, and components, these have to be attached extra, while these are inbuilt: RAM, ROM, IO ports, timer and serial COM ports.